And this Papa Love TV official. Papa Love TV official. Papa Love TV official. Papa Loves TV official. Hoo-ha! Subscribe and click the bell.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Guys, dito ako ni Mama Loves.
Transformer.
Riyadh Gallery. Dito kami sa Riyadh Gallery guys. Sa AMC Cinemas. Kaya nakita si Transformer. Ang laki lang. Ayan. Mag-date kami ni Mama Loves dito. Ayan, gusto ko panoorin yung Beetlejuice. Wala silang Beetlejuice eh. Guys, dito naman kami lumipat sa Sahara. I-date ni Mama Loves silang lasting. Ow! Ow! Beetlejuice. We are watching Beetlejuice. I want to... Oy! Shout out Beetlejuice. Upgraded ka na. Dito ka na sa Kingdom ha. Part 2. Since 1994 namin unang napanood ko ni Mama Loves. Sa ano pa? Betamax pa. Betamax pa yan guys. Biro nyo. 1994. 23, 94. Yan. Napanood namin yan. Beetlejuice. Yun o. Showing of Beetlejuice o. Oh. Dito siya o. Tatlo. Beetlejuice. Happy Saudi National Day. Beetlejuice. Oy, 20 reals lang daw o. Promo. Punta na kayo dito. Ayan o. Oop. Beetlejuice guys. Uy, dami. Jump ako. Daming tao. Agar, basta. Ayan guys. Dito tayo sa growing. Isa ko lang ito. Dito guys, pagka gold VIP. Ayan. VIP.
I've been flying from town to town,
That birthday part then is the last dance.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Single to number 2. Sarado pa. Sarado po siya. Sarado pa siya guys. Ayan. Dito ang gold ticket. Ang ticket nila is 100 plus. Pero pag sa standard ka, 20 reals lang. May promo sila. Dito yung gold ticket. Thank you my friend. Say hi to my vlog. Yan. Ito, nakapila na si Mama Loves. So, doon kami sa standard. Mamaya pa mga 11:30 pero mag-ikot-ikot muna kami syempre. Mga snacks nila, popcorn. Sinira. And guys, dito kami sa Sahara. Sa AMC doon sa Riyadh Gallery dito sa Sahara box. Sa box kami manonood. And guys, box. Ayan, Beetlejuice. Ngayon papanood namin guys, part 2, Beetlejuice. Part 1, 1992, 93, 94. Betamax pa. Actually, matagal na rin namin ano yun, yung Betamax na yun, padala pa ni Papa nung ano, nung nabubuhay pa siya. Since 1984, parang gano'n, oo. Ay, hindi. 1994 nga. 93, 94. Pinanood namin. Yan. Nandun si Mama. Bibili ng ticket online. Sa kabili na lang ticket si Mama. Cinema 7. Ayun ang 7 dito. Check lang natin yung 7. Date kami ni Mama Lab. So, guys. Ay, naglag. Laki ng ticket nila, oh. Pakita mo yung ticket. Ang laki. Doon ang ticket niya. Okay, manonood mamaya. Pero, time pa. Pwede kayo matusawa. Pasok na ngayon. No? Tanong natin, liga. Kami oras talaga, no? Matusawa agad, guys. Ayan. Halika dito. Picture mo tayo sa akin. Tapos pipicture kita. Ayan, guys. Guys, ang aming ticket ay gold. So, mamaya pa kami 11:30 guys. Kaya, dower, ikot-ikot, shopping, mall-malling. Ayan. Ganda naman ang kadito. Tapos ang bango-bango pa. Mamaya blam. Yan. See you later guys. Sa loob ng sinihan. Wow. Habang magpapalipas ng oras, tingin-tingin sa mga kapatid. Ay, mga kapatid ko. Wow. Dami yun. Hermes guys. Mayats. Ganda ng chest nila. Yes. %50. %30 putlaker. 50 putlaker. Pasarado na sila guys. Agad nila magsara. Siguro paparado na naman namaya. Pamili pa si Mama. Oh. Guys. Nood na kami dito ni Mama Labs. Mama Labs niyo. Popcorn. Ano ba picture? Ito hindi ko mapindot. Pindot na yan. Hindi ka yung popcorn. Yeah. Okay guys. May naglinis lang kanina. Binabacuum pa. Popcorn tayo guys. Bitter juice na. Bilhin mo guys, 1994. Tapos yung part 2 niya, after 20 years, 2024. Tama diba? 1994. Ay, hindi lang. Mamaya na lang guys. Bye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying
Natapos na part 2 ng Beetlejuice. After 20 years, I saw this part 2. I saw this part 1 in 1994. Now it's 2024, I saw this part 2. Part 2 guys, parang kantahan lang. Grabe. Mas maganda ang part 1. No? Atik. Siya bataw siya. Yun guys, tapos na ang aming panonood. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
Papa Labs TV Official. Subscribe and click the bell.